Friends, if you have been watching my videos on ITK Funday channel, it's highly likely that you might have watched some of my networking videos, be it on OSI model, on subnetting, on firewall or proxy. But you know I do not come from a networking background. So when I wanted to learn networking, this was the first book I bought. And this is the reason why I learned networking and went from complete zero or maybe -1 to a level 1 or level 2. And this book, the name of this book is Networking for Dummies. Networking for Dummies. A very good book if you want to learn networking. But by the way, why I'm telling you all this? It is because today is a very special day. I have, after spending 3.5 years building this channel, sharing all the knowledge with you, whatever I had, I got a feedback that I should do something in a more structured manner. I should come up with some sort of an online offering to you guys so that you could truly get a complete transformation. So today is a big day because I am announcing the pre-launch of my very first online course, and the course name is, so yes, you guessed it right, the course name is Cloud 101 AWS for Dummies. This course is specifically made for someone who's a beginner in cloud landscape, who wants to start their career in cloud and who wants to learn AWS, because AWS is the biggest cloud provider and all the job openings which you will get, maximum would be for AWS. So in this particular course, my objective is to take a non-IT guy or someone who's not from cloud or who's been working on a legacy or a non-technical IT field, take that person from level 0 to level 1. We'll start with clearing all the cloud computing fundamentals and then going step by step into AWS, learning all the key services and all the key services which you will be using. And I'm pretty sure after completing this course, you would be at a position from where you could decide in which particular path you can go in AWS or in your digital cloud career. So now let's go to our screen and understand how you could log in and enroll for this course. And by the way, it is a pre-launch, so you will get a good discount. I'll tell you how much it is, but you need to visit my website, which is itkfunday.net. It is itkfunday.net/courses. That's where we'll see the details of this particular course, what what discount you might get if you enroll today as a pre-launch, because the course will be coming on 11th of September. So let's go on to the screen. And yes, one of the best thing which I am offering right now is a 7-day money back guarantee. In case you don't like it or in case you feel that it's not adding any value, you can do it once the course is launched. If if you're not satisfied in first 7 days, you can take your money and I'll be more than happy to refund everything for you. But I truly hope it adds value to your life, your knowledge, your career. So let's explore this course.
So guys, you need to click on this link. This link will be given to you in the video description. You just have to click on it and it will directly take you to the course page. This is the course page and all the details about the course is listed down below, so you can have a look. Whatever I have talked about is mentioned here, and also the curriculum, like what we will be covering, is there. We will start from the basics and then we'll go into all the core services of AWS, and then it will be also followed by the live Q&A sessions on cloud career roadmap and some doubt session as well. So coming to the pricing of it, the course is priced at 2,999, but as I said, it is a pre-launch offer. So if you use the discount code Cloud50, which I'll show you just now, this will be directly slashed by 50%, and now the course price for you would be 1,499. I think this is the best offer for now. It is a pre-launch, it is a limited offer, but yes, I think you should leverage it. And once the course will be launched, you will have 7 days of money back guarantee. Feel like it's not like it, then please feel free to ask for a refund, and I'll be more than happy to do it within the first 7 days. So yes, this is about the course, and as we go ahead, I'll continue to post on the social media channels, and if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, please let me know. While I'm developing further things into this course, I will definitely take on your feedback as well. So yes guys, this is it. I wanted to show you this. I really sincerely hope that you enroll for this course. It would be a transformative journey for you as well as for me. So I'm really excited to see you on the other side. Thank you so much. Thank you.